Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okay, let's see how to solve formative exercise 4.1, question number 2. Okay, so read, understand, underline. Okay, all the keyword here. So sorry, I cannot underline because this is your textbook. Okay, alright. So find the number of ways to create a 3-digit password. So keyword here is 3-digit password. So the condition given here is 3-digit password. Okay. If repetition of digit is allowed, and B, repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay. So first you must understand what is digit. So digit here means is either, okay, digit 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Either one. Okay, now stated here, the question asks you to create 3-digit password. So we have 3 slots. So 1, 2, 3. First slot, second slot, third slot. Okay, so all together here, okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together, okay, there are 10 different digits here. So the first slot, there are 10. Okay, there are 10 ways to fill in the first slot here. So you have 10 choices. Okay, you have 10 choices. Either you choose digit 0, or maybe 1, or maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Right. Okay, here repetition of digit is allowed. Meanings, for the second slot, the same. There are, here you have the same number of ways. Okay, sama lah. Okay, sebab dia kata boleh ulang. Maknanya kalau dekat kalau di slot yang pertama ni you letak 0, right? The second slot also you can letak 0 juga. Maknanya the number of ways is the same, that is 10. Then the same thing goes to the third slot. Okay, so is the number of ways is the same, that is 10. So here all together we have, so here you need to use times. Why times? Okay, because digit, the first digit and the second digit, so to form the 3-digit password, so of course you need to put in first digit n, second digit and third digit. So once you have n, okay, it is times. So 10 times 10 times 10 become 1000. Alright, so that one is for A. Okay, for B, okay, repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay, so the same, we have 3 slots. The first slot you can fill in with any digit here. Altogether you have 9 digit. You have 10 digits, so you have 10 choices here. So kalau satu dah letak sini, left some more 9. Right. So 1 you put here, 1 you put here. So 2 dah guna. Altogether you have 10, left some more 8. Right. So answer is 720. Done. Okay, once again, right, for case A, case di mana repetition of digits is allowed. You boleh ulang balik. Okay, maknanya kalau katakanlah first slot ni you letak digit 1. Okay, so second slot pun you boleh letak digit 1. Maknanya bilangan digit, the number of choices for the first slot, the second slot and the third slot is the same. Okay, so because dia kata boleh ulang. But for the case for B part, dia kata repetition digit is not allowed. Maknanya kalau you letak digit 1, let's say first slot you masukkan digit 1. Meaning for the second slot you tak boleh dah masuk digit 1. Okay, so kalau dah letak sini digit 1, altogether just now you have 10 digits, right? You dah letak digit 1 dekat sini. Okay, 1 digit you dah letak dekat sini. For the second slot, you tak boleh dah letak digit 1. Maknanya left some more 9 digits. Okay, maknanya kalau dah letak digit 1 dekat sini, okay, first slot tu you dah letak digit 1. Let's say lah, first slot tu you letak digit 1. You have another 2 slot, right? So, second slot, you can choose either digit 0, or maybe 2, or maybe 3, or maybe 4, 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9. So, for the second slot, you dah tak boleh letak digit 1. So, your choices is either digit 0, or maybe 2, or maybe 3, 4, or 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9. Okay, so you have how many choices to put in the second slot? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 choices. So here, okay, you have 10 choices. Alright, you can choose either one from digit 0 to digit 9. So you have 10 choices. But then for the second slot, sebab dia kata repetition is not allowed, maknanya kalau you letak, if let's say lah, you letak first slot ni dengan digit 1, maknanya untuk second slot dah tak boleh dah digit 1. Maknanya left some more how many choices? You have tadi semua sekali 10, satu dah letak sini, left some more 9. So that's why here 9. Okay, so you dah letak dekat sini 1, maknanya bilangan digit yang dah letak adalah berapa? 2. Altogether you have 10. 10 minus 2 become 8. Left some more 8 choices here for the third slot. Okay, I hope you understand.